up, you guys? What is up? Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Jeanine Amapola, and today I'm going to be trying out your Starbucks orders. So I'll set the Starbucks bands and I'll keep taking that off. But anyway, I was on Instagram and I randomly jumped on there one day and I was like, I discovered this new Starbucks order. I want you guys to try it. And then I got curious and I was like, what is your Starbucks order? What's a custom order that you like to try? And a lot of you guys dropped me your favorite orders, and now I'm gonna go and test them out for myself. Now, I will be rating them on a scale of 1 to 5. I will not be listing anybody's names because if I don't like it, I don't want to make you feel bad. So there's the tea on that. But we will not be drinking tea today. Just strictly coffee. I don't even think I need any more because I'm already pretty hyper, to be honest. But it is around that time. It's 4 o'clock. I could use a little pick-me-up, okay? So I am first, step one, going to find a drive-thru Starbucks. It just would not be right if I didn't have his drive-thru Starbucks. So that's what we're first gonna do. Also, I need to readjust this camera because I don't like this angle. Hold on. Okay, I think that's better. So if you want to participate in, like, I guess the next challenge or something like this, then you can follow my Instagram, Jeanine Amapola, because that's where I'm pulling all of this from. And really quickly, my custom Starbucks order is a grande misto with almond milk and 3 shots of sugar-free vanilla. So that's my order that I share with you guys on my Instagram. You should go try it out. It's really, really good, and it's a little bit on the healthier side, I guess you could say. Now it's time to go find a drive-thru Starbucks and see if there's one near me. Honestly, like, I'm gonna be so caffeinated today because I've already had 2 cups of coffee. Because it's been a long work day, you guys. I had an audition, I had some brand deals I needed to deal with, and I worked out this morning, so it's been quite the day. But, you know, there's never... what even was that? I don't think there's ever a problem with having perhaps 3 cups of coffee in one day. This is me justifying my coffee consumption right now. Cause I've talked to like health people, like health experts or like nutritionists, and they're like, so how much caffeine do you drink? And I'm like,
1 cup.
And then they like look at me dead in the eyes and they're like, honestly?
I'm like, okay, 3. Jeez. 4, get off my back.
No, not really, but I really do try to limit myself to 1 a day, and then if I need it, if it's a busy work day, then, you know, maybe 2. Also, I was gonna have a friend do this video with me, and then I realized I have none. No, I'm just kidding. No, but I asked Shelby, and then she was out of town, and then I just decided to do this so last minute that I was like, you know, I've done 25 years of me, myself, and I, so I might as well just do another video of me, myself, and I. It's a sad day. It's okay, I have you guys, right? Right? I'm being so annoyed in this video, I'm sorry.
I and it still, we were all of that, all of that, all of that, oh yo. But I love it. And she loved it too.
Oh, you got me feeling so weak. Baby, you condition me. Don't love you cause I want to.
Hey, drive-thru Starbucks, let's go! I feel really bad for anybody working here today because this is just gonna be a lot. Okay, so Adeline Morin actually responded and she said she gets a venti iced matcha green tea with 2 extra pumps of vanilla with a raisin bagel. Okay. My boyfriend, he responds this, coffee, duh. So here's everyone's orders. I'm flipping through them right now.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. Is there a food item I can get for you?
No, I'm just gonna start with some drinks, please.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna have a couple orders, is that okay?
Sure.
The first one is gonna be a venti iced matcha green tea latte with 2 extra pumps of vanilla. All in the same order, sir.
Okay.
Thank
What's
you.
The next one?
A white mocha and toffee nut latte
Okay.
is going to be a double shot ice shaken with 3 pumps of vanilla.
That's a Starbucks double shot?
Yes, please. The next one is going to be a tall cold foam cold brew, no sweetener even in the foam. The next one is going to be a matcha lemonade with classic. And then the last one is a mango dragon fruit refresher with coconut milk and 2 pumps of vanilla.
Alright, so we'll do a tall dragon drink.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh wait, sir.
Yep.
Can I also get the order behind me as well? Can I cover theirs?
Yeah, I'll see you at the window.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Gosh, since I'm making these people wait so long, it's the least I can do, okay?
Okay, so they ordered a bunch of drinks too. Like theirs is like $24.
That's okay.
You sure?
Yeah. I'm just worried I'm gonna spill these drinks. I can see the lady behind me counting her money. Yeah.
These are all for you?
No, I'm gonna give them to some friends afterwards. Yeah. Thank you. They are for me. It's embarrassing to say they all are for me. That's really embarrassing. I'm trying to see if I can just give these to some friends. Oh my gosh, I'm praying I did not spill these. I'm praying.
Dragon drink and the cold foam cold brew.
Okay, thank you so much. Sorry that was took a while. Thank you. Have a good day. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, we did it. We did it. We did it. Now it's going home and trying them out. Oh, also funny story. So this morning I was heading back from the gym and I didn't have my sunglasses on me and it was so bright outside that my stupid brain, like, I don't even know why I thought this. I thought like I could turn the brightness down. So I started trying to turn the brightness down outside with my like volume knob and then it clicked and I was like, you're an idiot, Jeanine. Like, okay, either I need another cup of coffee or I need to go back to bed. So I have this one saying, if you watch my vlog channel, that I do one dumb thing a day, and that today was my dumb thing. Absolutely. Hello. So it took me a while to get this set up because this camera decided to completely just break on me right as I was about to film. So here we are. Love that. So I was getting ready to test some of these out and I already tried this one out and then I realized my camera froze, so YouTuber problems. Okay, so I'm back here, got all my girls, got the gang, and we're about to finally test these out. Okay, so this first one is the double shot on ice, 3 pumps of vanilla, and I got my metal straw. Here we go, guys. Drink number 1. So it's not bad. It definitely reminds me of kind of just like a regular vanilla latte or a vanilla iced coffee, but I don't know what's different about it. I guess there's not really much milk in here. It's good. It does have a little bit of that bitter taste, which Starbucks coffees tend to have, but it's not terrible. But I don't think I would order this one again. It's not terrible. I'm gonna give this one a 3 out of 5. Okay, up next we have this one, and this is the white mocha no whip toffee nut syrup. I've never even had this before. I didn't even know Starbucks had toffee, so let's give this a go. You know, it's not bad. It's just, I don't think I like toffee. The toffee I think is what's getting me, and it's like really, really sweet. And I like a mixture of like healthy and sweet, not too much sugar. So if you like really sweet drinks and toffee, then this is your drink. But I don't know if I like this too much, to be honest. I would give this one probably like a 2 because it's not terrible. It's just I don't think I like toffee. But it's not terrible. Still worth a try. Up next we have the dragon drink with 2 pumps of vanilla. I think this was some like mango drink. This is so good. Oh my gosh, I've never had this before. You can totally taste the mango in here. I don't know if it needs extra 2 pumps of vanilla because again, it's super sweet. This is incredible. So good. This is a 5 out of 5 for me. This is like a 10 out of 5. This is like beyond 5. This is so good. Cold brew with cold foam, light foam. So there's no milk in here. I think this is just black coffee with light foam. It's not terrible, but if you like milk and sugar, then this is not the drink for you. But if you're trying to cut back calories, or even if you don't like anything sweet, then this is not that bad. Like, this is not terrible. Normally I hate black coffee, but this is not that bad. But would I order it again? Probably not. My boyfriend would like this drink because he doesn't like any flavoring in his drink. But it's not terrible. It's just not typically what I like. that's gonna be like a 3 out of 5 for me. Up next, we have the matcha lemonade with classic syrup. I didn't even know that you could combine these two. I've never even thought to combine these two, so I'm super curious how this is gonna go. To be honest, it's kind of confusing. Like, I just would have never thought to pair matcha and lemonade together. It's like super, super, super sweet. It's not terrible, but I think if there was just less sweetener, it'd be better. I don't know. It's confusing because like my mouth is confused whether it likes it or not, and there's 2 separate flavors in here at once that I'm just kind of like, I don't know if I like that. It's not terrible, but I don't think I would ever order this again. I'm gonna give this one like a 2 out of 5. Yeah, that's gonna be a 2 out of 5 for me. But if you like sweet, then that's the one to get. Okay, so the very last one is the venti iced grande latte with 2 pumps of vanilla. This is a matcha latte. This was Adeline Warren's order, and I should have just got a tall, but here we are, the venti. Ooh, I just splashed all over myself. Cute. This is a brand new shirt also. I normally do get matcha lattes, but I just wanted to try her order specifically. So good, you guys. I love me a good matcha latte. However, I don't, again, maybe this is like, as you get older, maybe you don't like sweeter things, and I'm 25 now, and like, I don't think it needed the extra 2 pumps of vanilla. Otherwise, this is delicious. Like, I will 100% get this again. Thanks, Adeline. I'm making a giant mess. So that was me trying your Starbucks orders out. I'm gonna have to say my favorite one was probably this one, and the color is just so fun, like, come on. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and you want to participate in the next challenge. If so, follow my Instagram, Jeanine Amapola, and let me know in the comments down below, what is your Starbucks order and what challenge should I do next? This was so fun for me, so hopefully you guys will try this out as well. Thank you so much for watching and participating, and I'll see you guys next week. I love you guys so much, and peace out, Girl Scout. Bye, guys!